It's a weird EAS. I did miss the header and in the message tones, but look at this. All of Minnesota. I live in Tennessee. All of Missouri. All of Mississippi. Now, this is a required weekly test, so it's not a emergency action notification. And this is actually an EAS. Here on the Motorola cable box through Xfinity, there's Tennessee. All of Texas, all of Wisconsin. There was no message for the required weekly test. And it says test message, ipaws, ipaws, open cap, EAS, feed, configuration, test, message. So, quite weird. And it's went back here and we've got NCIS. So, yeah.